Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unbox of Otica manual suction machine. The box comes like this and it comes in a very safe and accurate box where you can see you can open the box from here, and this is a zip carton. This comes with a user manual, the warranty card. There are hard cannula and there is two soft cannula, as well as this is the main device. So the device comes in a proper assembly, so you don't need to do anything with the assembly. You just need to open any of the cannula for usage. Suppose we are using this hard cannula. You just have to open this hard cannula and put the cannula on this surface. Now the device is ready to use. For example, we have taken some color water, so you can see how much suction it is doing. You just have to suck the liquid with this. You can see the entire water has been sucked inside of the bottle. You can see the color difference in the bottle. So this is how the manual suction works. And to remove this liquid, you just need to open it by the rotation of the bottle, and you can take it out, and again we are refilling it to join it again, or simply you can also grab the cap like this and you have to regain or reallocate the screw in the device. So this is how this works, and you can also try it by opening this flexible cannula. So we are putting this flexible cannula inside of the device. Basically this device is useful in a multiple ways. You have to attach it here properly and make sure you are closing this lid to operate it properly. Otherwise there will be no suction if this cap is open, or you have to put the finger whenever required to close the suction. Otherwise this device will not work. So now we have connected and we have taken this liquid and we'll start suctioning it out. You can see the liquid is coming over here. You have to suck it and it will do the suction properly. You can see the liquid over here. And this is how the suction machine works. This is a manual handheld and very easy to operate suction machine. Thank you for watching.